Ever wonder how a single dollar in your bank can turn into several dollars in the economy? It's called the money multiplier, and it's honestly one of the coolest tricks in finance. Let's break it down. Imagine you deposit $100 into your bank. Your bank keeps a slice, say $10 as reserves, and then lends out the other 90. That 90 goes to someone else who spends it, and eventually it's redeposited in another bank. That bank keeps $9 and lends out 81, and this cycle keeps going. Each time, a little less is lent out, but the total amount of money in the system keeps growing. That's the magic of fractional reserve banking. Your original $100? By the time the process is done, it sparked the creation of way more money than you started with. Here's the formula. Money multiplier equals 1 divided by the reserve ratio. So if banks keep 10% in reserves, the money multiplier is 10. Your $100 could theoretically become $1,000 moving through the economy. But it's not just math. This process fuels economic growth, lets businesses get loans, and helps people buy homes. Of course, it also means banks need to be careful, because lending too much can backfire. So next time you check your balance, remember, your money isn't just sitting there, it's multiplying, driving the whole system forward. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel.